Hi, it's Heidi, your pottery pal, and today we're going to use some 3D printed ribs. I designed these and printed these, and there's two different ones, and we're going to use these today. So let's get started. So I have a couple 1 pound balls of clay that we are going to make cups out of today. And so these are the 3D printed ribs that I made. I designed these on Tinkercad, and then I printed them on my 3D printer. And so you can see there's just slightly different profiles. This one comes to, it's just a straight edge, and this one has a little straight edge with a little cutoff. So let's see how these work. So I want the cups to be as tall, at least as tall. They don't have to be as tall as the rib, but I would like it to be. So it's got to go a little taller. And that really didn't do much. I might need more clay, but let's see. That's close enough. So I'm going to start with the one with the little pointy end. That was the first one I designed. So let's see what happens. Now these are profile ribs. If you've never used one before, these are kind of fun. I'm just going to get it a little wet. And once it starts to get gunked up, I just take that clay off. And what I'm doing is just pushing with the inside of my hand. Not the inside of my hand. I'm pushing with the hand on the inside. And the reason I designed these ribs the way I did with that flat surface here was because I figured that would be a really good area for image transfer. It's starting to stick a little, so I'm just going to dunk the rib back in some water. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm not sure about the shape. I mean, it replicates the rib. I'm not sure if I like it. I think I'll have to redesign these. But it's okay. I'm not going to get too carried away. I was like, well, it leans in a little at the top, but I don't even know if I'm going to decorate these. So this is really more just to test the profile. So that's the first one. Just going to cut that off. Oh, dragged it. That is the problem sometimes I have had with the profile ribs is when they're cut in, when the bottom of that rib is cut in as significantly as that. When I've been using those to throw before, I have had the cup just kind of pop off. But it's not bad. Not bad. All right, so now we're going to use the rib with the slight little cutout. Let's see if that looks better. That's almost tall enough. All right, so we're just going to dunk that in water and get started. Now this was the first one, the first rib that I printed, and it flexes more. This one's a little stiffer. I like the stiffness more. This feels like it's going to snap off almost. So that's another, just another thing to consider while I'm designing these. That's not too bad. So a few takeaways from this little rib trial. Moving forward, these are really big cups. They're very big. I think I would actually make this rib a little shorter, and I would also make the foot area a little less wide. I don't think it needs to cut in that far. Um, but again, these are my first try, so I have to make some more and see what happens. And if you have any interest in seeing how I design these on Tinkercad, let me know. Maybe we can do a video on that sometime. Okay. But yes, so this is a good first experiment. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. Pottery's better with a pal. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'll see you next week. Bye.